Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Zam Zam Pulao. Step 1. Chicken fry marination. Take 300 grams boneless chicken, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add some food colour. It's totally optional. Add salt to taste. 2 tablespoons corn flour, ½ teaspoon coriander cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add some oil. Combine well. Keep aside. Step 2. Mutton marination. Take 500 grams mutton. Add ½ cup curd, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon green chilli sauce, ½ teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Add some lemon. Add some oil. ½ teaspoon black pepper powder, ½ teaspoon nutmeg, mace, green cardamom powder, ¼ teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix well. Keep it aside. Step 3. Mutton kofta preparation. 200 grams mutton minced, 1 tablespoon brown onion, 1 to 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, ¼ teaspoon baking soda, salt to taste, 1½ tablespoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, ½ teaspoon garam masala, handful of coriander and mint leaves. Grind it. We will need this consistency. Remove in a bowl, keep in refrigerator 30 minutes. Step 4. Zam Zam Pulao preparing. Add some oil in a vessel. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 dried chilies, roast for a minute or 2. Add 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Roast well. Green chilies as per your taste. Put marinade mutton on it. Combine well. Put in a pressure cooker. Add require water. Take 6 to 7 whistles. Cut potato wedges and add some food colour. Combine well. For another wedges, we will use red colour. Give it a good mix. Fry sliced capsicum. You can also add carrot as well. Remove on parchment paper. Fry colourful potato wedges. Sprinkle salt after frying. Fry green potato wedges. After refrigeration, make balls from kofta mixture. Make balls as shown. Do these for all. Again, refrigerate for some time. Deep fry our marinade chicken. Fry on low to medium flame. Flip the sides. Fry till chicken gets tender. Remove on absorbent paper. On low flame, add our meatballs. Cook on low to medium flame. Switch the sides and cook from this side too. Cook till golden brown and meat gets tender. You can also add mutton kidney or liver. Remove on kitchen towel. Add cooked mutton with stock in a large vessel. Add some water. Add mutton stock. Add some coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons Maggi masala, salt according to your taste, 1/4 cup raisins, 1 tablespoon cashews. Add some brown onion. Give it a good mix. Add our soaked rice. Add water according to rice. Dries out the water. Assemble the toppings. Kofta, chicken tikka, boiled eggs, sprinkle chopped coriander, brown onion, fried potatoes, fried capsicum. Make some holes. Add saffron food colour. Add some fried onion oil. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Our delicious Zam Zam Pulao is ready. Time to plate. Dish out. Assemble toppings. Meatballs, tikka, sprinkle coriander, boiled egg slices, sprinkle some fried onions, fried potatoes, fried capsicum. Do try this recipe on this Bakra Eid and share your valuable feedback with us. Eid Mubarak. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.